यार कितना टाइम हो गया उसे आए हुए, अभी तक नहीं आया है। अरे आ गया, योर सैलरी हैज बीन क्रेडिटेड। यस। पर आपको कैसा लगेगा अगर आपको एक कंपनी से नहीं बल्कि 5 या 6 कंपनी से ये वाला मैसेज आए? एंड द बेस्ट पार्ट इज आपको इन कंपनीज के लिए काम भी नहीं करना पड़ेगा। So today we are going to discuss how can we create a passive source of income through dividend investing. पैसे से पैसा बनता है, ये लाइन तो आपने सुनी ही होगी। And dividends is one of the way through which you can earn your passive income. Let's see how. जब आप किसी कंपनी का स्टॉक खरीदते हो, you become a part owner of that company. And when the company is left with some extra cash or extra profits, it distributes it amongst the investors in the form of dividends. And slowly, when you build a solid portfolio of high quality dividend paying stocks, you will be able to create a regular passive source of income for yourself. क्या आपको पता है? Warren Buffett receives $775 million from Apple in the form of dividends every year. At the same time, Apple CEO Tim Cook received $99 million in the year 2021 in the form of dividends. So, do you own any dividend paying stocks in your portfolio? Let us know in the comment section below. But is it possible to retire only on dividends? Before this, you need to understand what dividend yield is. Dividend yield is simply the total amount of dividend given by that company in an year divided by the current share price of that company into 100. For example, if ITC pays a total dividend of Rs 15 in a particular year and the current share price of that company is trading at 210 rupees, then the dividend yield would be 7.1%. Let's assume you require 20,000 rupees per month to fulfill your basic needs. In that case, your yearly requirement would be 2.4 lakhs. Now assuming the dividend yield is 7%, hence to achieve 2.4 lakhs in dividends, you need to divide it by the dividend yield, which comes out to be 34.28 lakhs. Therefore, you will require to invest rupees 34.28 lakhs in this stock to generate a dividend of rupees 20,000 per month. So now, let's look at some of the important points that needs to be considered before dividend investing. आज अगर कोई कंपनी डिविडेंड डिक्लेयर कर रहा है, तो इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि वो आगे भी डिविडेंड्स देता रहेगा। सिमिलरली, इसका भी कोई गारंटी नहीं कि आज अगर कोई कंपनी डिविडेंड डिक्लेयर नहीं कर रही है, वो आगे चल के नहीं कर सकती। Hence, अगर आप डिविडेंड इन्वेस्टिंग स्ट्रैटेजी को अपनाना चाहते हो, then don't just invest all your money into just one stock. Instead, pick handful of companies which has a proven track record. A high growth company might invest all its profits into itself to grow at a much faster rate. Whereas a mature company जिसके पास expansion का ज़्यादा scope नहीं होता है, generally उसी companies का dividend yield ज़्यादा होता है. Now let's look at 5-year chart of these companies. You might notice कि इन companies ने अच्छा dividend तो दिया है, but over the long period of time, इन companies के share में काफी ज़्यादा correction दिखा गया है. An ideal dividend yield would be around 4 to 6%, where you get best of both the worlds, growth as well as income. Here are some of the dividend paying small cases for you. ये तो हो गए some of the cons of dividend investing. But आपको अगर लगता है कि FDs provide better returns than dividend yielding stocks, then आप कुछ भूल रहे हो। जब आप FDs में इन्वेस्ट करते हो, you generally get a return of 6 to 6.5%. That means when you invest rupees 1 lakh rupees in an FD for over a year, you will receive return of 6,000 rupees. Whereas if you invest that 1 lakh rupees in a dividend paying stock which has a dividend yield of over 6%, then आपको 6,000 rupees तो मिलेंगे ही. But apart from that, there is a chance of capital appreciation if the price of the stock goes up. For example, if you purchase a stock at rupees 200 and let's say after an year the stock price shoots up to 230 rupees, in this case आपको 6% का dividend yield तो मिलेगा ही. But apart from that, you will also get 13% का capital appreciation, जिससे आपका total returns approximately 19% हो जाता है. If you want to learn more about such strategies, subscribe to our channel because we make investing easy.